I am enjoying a sunny day. I am watching my favorite movie. I am dancing to the music. I am exploring the backyard. I am building a sandcastle. I am planting flowers in the garden. I am baking cookies with my dad. I am making a new friend.
I'm your friend. I will always be here for you.
I am having a picnic in the park. I am collecting leaves in autumn. I am flying a kite. I am going to the zoo. I am riding a horse. I am climbing a tree. I am painting with bright colors. I am helping my mom in the kitchen. I am riding my bicycle. I am jumping on the trampoline. I am playing video games. I am studying for my test. I am reading a storybook. I am drawing a beautiful picture. I am eating a delicious sandwich. I am singing a fun song.
You promised forever a love without end. Now I'm left broken, struck.
I am laughing with my family. I am walking in the park. I am sleeping in my bed. I am running to catch the bus. I am feeling very happy. I am playing with my friends.